My name is Scott Cundill, and I am the co-founder and CEO of MyMostTrusted.net. It's a trusted network of really cool people around the world that help each other with their LinkedIn profiles. We'd love to offer you the chance to make about $30 an hour, helping clients with LinkedIn around the world. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight. And it's not one of those, let's get 50 of our friends together and invest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency schemes either. You do an hour's work and you get paid for an hour's work. What I'd love you to do to begin is simply fill out the form below and do a course. The course will take you maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours. If you're really sharp and very computer literate, it might take you 45 minutes. When you're done, we're going to put you in a support group of people around the world, and together we're going to grow your client base. And you will then be able to earn about $30 an hour simply by helping people using our tool and using LinkedIn to take their careers and their businesses to the next level. So fill out the form, start part 1 of the course. When you finish part 1, just a couple of minutes long, you'll get part 2. Finish part 2, you'll get part 3, etc., etc. When you're done, we'll put that support group together and I'll see you after the course.